Okay, guys. There's something different about my truck. And the reason for this is Massachusetts sucks, but I guess it's also maybe safety related. But if you look over here, there's the rack. There's no rack on the truck. So the issue here was that the third brake light, right up there on the cab, was blocked by the metal bar on the rack. And didn't know what to do about this, thought it over, and instead of the rooftop tent I was hoping to get, I decided maybe there's a way around having to drill a hole, put in a third brake light, and yada yada yada. So, video coming eventually, no promises when, since of the storms and ordering taking forever. But got myself KB Voodoo brackets for a tonneau cover. So I had to get a hard tonneau cover, more secure for when I take it back to school next year. But hopefully that'll raise it up, solve the issue. Because I emailed or messaged KB Voodoo, was like, hey, you guys planning on selling a third brake light kit for the rack? Didn't pass in mass. Has to do the new inspection process, or not new, more secure, I guess is the right term for it, process. And they didn't reply, which was a little bit of a pain, because all I got out of them was that they have plenty of people in mass running them, and they've never had any issues come up or never heard of any issues until I messaged them. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. But until now, or for now, yeah, full video coming soon. Right now, I'm going to size it up, get it set up for the tonneau cover. This is just an update, I guess. But yeah, see you later. Probably once all the snow's gone, if it ever stops coming now. Pretty sure the seasons are 2 months behind. But whatever. Like, comment,